This is a beautiful 2003 Porsche Boxster. I don't know if they say 987 or 897, whatever that number that they assigned to this one. The radio, as you see, the radio is not working. There are some fuses here on the by the foot pedal on the left side. Right here, there's 2 fuses for audio. You can just pull it up, and that's where it is. I checked both of those fuses, both of them are fine. So now normally the VW and the BMW, most of the stereos, they have like an extra fuse in the back of the stereo itself. So I ordered this nice tools, that this is a special tools that I ordered from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link on the description. So these will make it, there's 2 holes here that you can put it in the hole and it clicks, and then you just have to pull it from both sides, you know. There you go. You pull it like this and the whole radio comes out. As you see, that is another fuse that I'm talking about. So let's check this out to see if the fuse is, there you go. As you see, I don't know if you see it or not, that fuse is broken right there. So I'm gonna go ahead, it's a 10 amp fuse. Normally is all of them is 10 amp because I just changed a VW, it's the same thing. So I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna go get the fuse. I think I have this, change it, and then I'll update you guys to see if the radio works or not. Thanks. This is the tool, and this is how it works. When you put the tool, this little teeth goes inside from both sides. It's gonna go inside. When you push this, look what happens. It clicks right here, you see. Now it holds the radio, and when you want to, before you put the radio, you need to push this one and release the tool. I cannot do it with one hand, but that's how you do it. Like, push this, like inside, and then release the tool. It releases the tool and pull it out. That's what you need to do before you put it in, because once you put it inside the place, you're not going to be able to take the tools out. So that's how you release the tool, and then when you put it, it clicks in place and it holds the radio back in place. That's how it works. As soon as I change the fuse, these lights lit up, so that's a good sign. I'm gonna go ahead and test it to see if the radio is back on. There you go. The radio is back on.
Financing 0% on all new Outlander SUVs and Eclipse Cross. Plus a giant selection of.
We are back in business. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe if you like this video, if it helps you. Thanks.